Well, today, kids and I, we are going to be wiring the trailer plug here. It's just a 4-wire, pretty simple, but look at that where it stays. But I am going to run a 7-wire plug. Got a 1/4-inch bolt here. I think I'm going to weld it right here on the tongue. We're back from our lunch break. I put the wiring harness in this loom. It's a little bulky there where all the butt connectors were. I ran everything down to our ground that I welded on. Everything has a good common ground, heavy duty wire. And now I got this extra wire here on their 4-wheelers. Loving our Idaho life though. I got the red wire's trailer brakes and the black wire is not backup lights, it's just, I guess, constant power. So, but now I got enough wire here to run the front axle. Went ahead, it's done, and the cord is perfect. I have it about 6 inches longer than the safety chain, so technically, in theory, if this was to jump off the hitch, it won't rip the cord, and we'll still have lights for emergency flashers or if something happens. So that's a good deal. I will tell you in advance, the taillights do work, but I had a light bulb that's burned out, so I confirmed with the multimeter that we had power. So that's done. Anyways, simple little video. I gotta clean up my mess now. Thanks for watching. Put a new light bulb in that one. That one was good to go. So done. Thanks for watching.